Hi guys, I am Cherry. Today's topic is cell phone addiction. Let's dive into the topic. Although cell phones allow individuals to have unlimited access to information and to connect others in a way otherwise thought impossible, there are many disturbing and harmful effects of smartphone dependency. Let's know about them. Cell phone addiction, sometimes referred to as problematic mobile phone use, is a behavioral addiction that is similar to that of an internet, gambling, shopping or video game addiction. Smartphone addiction is also linked to nomophobia, that is fear of being without a mobile phone, which in turn is often fueled by an overuse internet problem or internet addiction disorder. Causes of cell phone addiction include increasing depression and loneliness, fueling anxiety, diminishing your ability to think or concentrate, increasing stress. How to know whether you are addicted to cell phone or not? The first thing would be a need to use your cell phone more and more often to achieve the same desired effect. Second thing would be the persistent failed attempts to use the phone less often. Third thing would be feeling dread, anxiety or panic if you leave your smartphone at home. Turns to cell phone whenever experiencing unwanted feelings such as depression and anxiety. Excessive use of cell phone is characterized by loss of sense of time, has put a job or relationship at risk due to excessive use of cell phone. Physical effects of cell phone addiction: digital eye strain, neck problems, increased illnesses, car accidents. Psychological effects of cell phone addiction: sleep disturbances, depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, relationship problems. According to a report of National Institute of Cancer, people who talk on their phones for several hours are 50% more likely to develop brain cancer. The reason is because of radio waves produced by smartphones. It is calculated that every minute the human brain receives about 220 electromagnetic impulses, which are not necessarily harmful but which will definitely affect the brain in cases of prolonged impact. Apart from cancer risks, they also influence our nervous system. With the widespread accessibility of cell phones at an younger age, teenagers are especially prone to develop an addiction towards cell phones or social media. This may cause severe headaches, decreased attention, shortness of temper, and sleeping disorders and depression among teenagers. It is sad reality that nowadays people, especially youth, experience a lack of human contact and then they try to compensate with mobile phones, which is not an adequate substitute for personal interaction. There is decreased brain connectivity in teens who suffer from a cell phone addiction. Teens are more likely to have poor diets due to excessive use of cell phone, and they also may face social isolation. Simple ways to get rid of cell phone addiction. First thing would be to recognize the triggers which make you to reach out for your cell phone. Is it when you feel lonely or bored? Second thing would be to build your coping skills. It could be related to tweeting, texting or blogging, and you can make them your way of coping stress or anger. And also recognize any underlying issues that may support your compulsive behavior and strengthen your support network. How to modify our smartphone use? Set goals for your smartphone use. Second thing would be to not bring your phone to your bed. Third thing would be to turn off your phone at certain times of a day. Fourth thing would be to replace your smartphone with healthier activities. And fifth thing would be to remove social media apps from your cell phone. About 35% of people think about cell phone when they wake up, while only 10% of people think about their significant others. About 44% of people aged between 18 to 24 fall asleep with phones in their hand. Our brain teaches us to gain short-term pleasures such as eating delicious food, constantly check social media as opposed to work for long-term results. Today's world is a world of inventions and discoveries. Smartphones play an important role in the development of human civilization, but their excessive use gives severe problems. So, to reduce their harmful effects, one must remember that mobile phone is a friend, not a master.